Look at the spoon in your kitchen, the one you use for coffee, for sugar. That spoon, if you filled it just once with material from a neutron star, it would weigh 1 billion tons. That is heavier than Mount Everest, from 1 teaspoon. But that is not the scary part. The scary part is what happens when you fall into one. Let's go. First, understand what you are dealing with. A star much larger than our sun runs out of fuel. It does not fade, it explodes. A supernova. For a few days, that explosion outshines an entire galaxy. Billions of stars, outshone by one dying star. What is left behind? The core, crushed, compressed. Electrons forced into protons. They merge, creating neutrons. Everything becomes neutrons. A neutron star. Size, our sun, 865,000 miles wide. A neutron star, 12 miles wide. The entire city of Chicago fits inside, but it contains more mass than our sun. That is what you are about to fall into. Now, the teaspoon, normal matter, the stuff you are made of, is almost entirely empty space. If you removed all the empty space from your atoms, you would be smaller than a grain of sand. You are 99.9% nothing. You are a ghost walking around thinking it is solid. A neutron star has zero empty space. None. This is why 1 teaspoon weighs 1 billion tons. Let me give you the comparison. Teaspoon of air, almost nothing. Teaspoon of water, 5 grams. Teaspoon of the sun, weight of a laptop. Teaspoon of neutron star, 1 billion tons, the weight of Mount Everest. From a teaspoon, surface gravity, 100 billion times Earth. If you dropped a pen from 1 meter, it hits the surface at 4.3 million miles per hour. More energy than a nuclear bomb. From a pen, 1 meter. Now, imagine falling into it. You will never touch it, not because you die, but because you stop existing before you arrive. Stage 1, tidal forces, thousands of miles away, gravity pulling your feet harder than your head. You begin to feel it. Stage 2, spaghettification, actual NASA term. Your body stretches. You become a thin stream of atoms. You are no longer human. You are a line. Stage 3, the radiation. Kills from 1,000 kilometers. New York to Chicago. You in New York. Neutron star in Chicago. Dead before your next breath. Stage 4, the magnetic field. 1 trillion times stronger than Earth. Your atoms stop working. Chemistry fails. Not because you're dead, because the atoms cannot behave normally. Wambu. Stage 5. If somehow your atoms reach the surface, you would not die, you would become part of the star forever. But here is what nobody tells you. All of this, from tidal forces to obliteration, happens faster than your nervous system processes pain. Your brain needs 100 milliseconds to feel anything. The entire sequence, microseconds. You would feel nothing, not because it is gentle, because consciousness cannot keep up. The most extreme death in the universe, and you would not even notice it. Honestly, there are worse ways to go. A teaspoon, 1 billion tons, the weight of a mountain. In your kitchen. The universe is not just big, it is extreme in ways our brains were never designed to understand. Which fact broke your brain most? The teaspoon, NYC to Chicago, spaghettification, drop it below. I am Caveman 2.0. Decoding what science is too extreme to explain. See you Saturday.